Okay, today I thought we'd take a look at this Robot Invader electronic pinball game machine. Now I know I've done dozens of videos on all my vintage full-scale robot pinball machines and other toy ones, but I don't think I've ever done this one because I don't think this one's been opened. So we're going to open it. We're going to find out. And if need be, we'll move it to a different location so we can play with it. KB Toys says there. Do we have a date? It was 2005. Alright, well, let's, yeah, it's still taped shut, so I don't believe this has ever been opened. Trying not to cut the cardboard and just the tape. I think I succeeded. Okay. There'll be some more stuff in the box. All right. Some sort of scoreboard. The reset. Got a couple of contacts on it. Quick start. Insert the header before you play. Switch on, switch off. Press reset. Set ball feeder to 1, 2, or 3. Pull out loading lever. Shoot. Okay. Insert legs into slots on bottom of play field. So, looking at the back side of it here, obviously. I believe these are the legs that you're to take out and insert into the slots to angle the game. Obviously the batteries go there. I see a speaker. Shrek 2004 it says on the back of the unit. We can get the reflections right so that it shows up. It shows robots. Has some rubber bands. I wonder what kind of shape those rubber bands are going to be in after almost 20 years. Well, let's get some batteries in it and see what the deal is. Looks like 4 AA's. And 4. Let's slide the battery compartment back on so they don't fall out. Put the screw back in it so the battery door doesn't fall out. I'm guessing it isn't going to work without the legs tucked in. So we'll do that. Do that. Apparently the scoreboard plugs in. Now, these are the flippers, that's that. Guess I didn't notice where the on-off switch is. I see the batteries. Pull lever on bottom of play field to release ball. After ball is released, push lever back to its original position. Set ball feeder to 3. Pull back shooter and release. Press side button control. I don't I don't actually see if light and sound becomes dim or weak, replace batteries. I don't actually see an on-off. Wait a minute. On-off switch at bottom, 1. Yeah. So we got to try to find that. Okay, here it is. Where's that? I don't really... 2, 0. If I can get it working, I'm going to move the... I'll move the camera. Okay. It is working, so let's find... Jeez. I don't know where I'm going to find a location where this camera can look down at the game. I'm going to reset this counter. Okay. I'm guessing you were seeing most of it. So you pull this back to load the ball, and then to fire it. So apparently I got 500 on that before I lost it. Well, I have to say that compared to the other little toy, okay, it wants me to reset, I guess, to how many balls we want. I'm going to go 3. Compared to the other little toy pinball machines that I've had in the past, this one is more fun, not just because of the lights and the sound, although they help. Flippers could be better, obviously. The rubbers, I guess they don't really matter what kind of condition they're in. It isn't really going to affect the gameplay all that much. What if I pull the tripod legs in? I can get more altitude and then try aiming down a little bit more. Stay there, legs. The legs don't like this being pulled in position. I'll try to block it with my foot. Alright, let's try this. So apparently I don't know how to reset to make this thing load the ball. There we go, I got a ball. And let her go. Dang, lost it. Only got 800 points on that one, so we can see from there. This might have been the best vantage point. Pull that back, release. I was going to try to capture it, see if I could then control it. Alright, I think we've got the gist of it, gotten the fun of it. It's just a little toy. Be nice if I could have the camera up at about this angle so you guys could see it better. But it is nice having lights and sound, an electronic counter. I mean, a lot of them are all mechanical, and the fact that it is robot themed is kind of cool. 2005, made in China, and I believe that's about it for a Robot Invader electronic pinball game. Auto scoring, flashing lights, electronic sounds. It did all those things and it still worked.